Check out the size of this bagel we got at Smith's Grocery. This thing is so huge, it won't fit in a regular toaster. So we're going to use our Ninja multi-use oven and toast this bad boy up.
How long are you setting it for?
3 bars dark. Well, it's set for 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Now 9, 8, 7, 6.
So what's going on right now?
I don't know. It's dark in there. Let me turn the light on.
Okay.
Well, it's getting a little steamy too, so who knows? It must be getting hot.
Let's see if I can get a picture of that. No, I get reflection. Never mind.
Let's check and see how things are. Oh yeah, baby.
Well, that looks beautiful. Is it hot?
I don't know. I'm holding it with a hot pad, so I would assume so. Oh, it dripped cheese and a little bit of oil inside.
Uh-oh.
Got to clean that later.
Hey, this isn't the veranda. What are you doing in here?
It's cold outside. It's a little breezy, so I thought I'd come in here and enjoy it.
Well, this is the first cold day we've seen in a long time, so okay.
Yeah, it's been pretty hot.
Okay, Bill, did you have that hot bagel?
Delicious.
Can you even think this adventure was fun? Did you think it was fun?
Oh, except for the part of having to record this.
Oh, well, you can follow our adventures on Mobile Mikesells on YouTube, and please do, and tell your friends, because we're trying to get a lot of new subscribers.
That's right. Press like and subscribe.
There you go.